Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Vivint Doorbell Camera offline, Wi-Fi reconnect, power cycle and router fix. Fix 1. Power cycle the doorbell. You have to physically detach the doorbell from the wall mounting bracket. For this, you may need a small flathead or Phillips screwdriver for the security screw present at the bottom. Once done, leave it off for 60 seconds. Then snap it back into place and wait for it to boot up. The LED light ring should illuminate now. Fix 2. Router and network fixes. First, you have to restart your router. So unplug your Wi-Fi router and modem from the power source for about 60 seconds. Once done, plug it back in. Next, you have to check the internet speed. So connect your phone to the same Wi-Fi network and visit a site like Speed Test. You need a minimum of 2 Mbps upload and download speed per camera. Next, reduce interference. Ensure your router isn't too far away or consider installing a mesh Wi-Fi system if the signal keeps dropping. Fix 3. Reconnect Wi-Fi via the Vivint app. If you have recently changed your Wi-Fi network name, password, or router, the camera will lose connection. So open the Vivint app on your phone, then tap the gear icon or settings present in the top right corner. From there, select your doorbell. Then scroll down to device options and tap on Wi-Fi connection. Once done, follow the on-screen prompts to pair it to your network again. Fix 4. Reboot the Vivint Smart Hub. Go to your main Vivint Smart Hub and tap Smart Home Settings. Then enter your security PIN and select Devices, and then choose Smart Hub. Then tap on Reboot and confirm. Wait for exactly 3 minutes for the panel to fully restart before checking the app. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.